Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows cannot access the specified device path or file. So first you need to check the file or folder permissions. Just right click on that one. Then after go to properties option. Go to security tab. Under the group or usernames, select your account like this. Click edit in here. Ensure under the permissions of your account, full control is allowed. So if it is deny, you have to remove the deny options and allow all this and tap on apply. Then after tap on OK and OK here. Next you have to verify the file location, and as an example just right click on your shortcut and go to properties. In the target option, make sure this file is available there. As an example, in this case it is in go to this PC and go to C drive and program files, video LAN and VLC. You can see it has a VLC exe file, so the path is correct. If you can't decide application in that path, that means that is not working. So you have to restore the path or check where it is located. So then after add the new path to target option. So then after again go to search bar, search for CMD, right click on the command prompt, tap on run as administrator. In here you need to type sfc space / scan now and hit enter. This will scan your computer and fix the corrupted files. Once it is done, close this one. And if you are using antivirus or security software, you can temporarily disable that one. After you complete your testing, please remember to re-enable that. Once it is done, again go to search bar, search for run, tap on the run application. In here you need to type gpedit.msc and hit enter. In here you need to navigate user configuration, double tap on administrative templates like this. Then after go to Windows components, double tap on it, and File Explorer, double tap on it. Not File Explorer, scroll to up and you can see application attachment manager, just tap on it and there is option called do not preserve shown information in the file attachment. So double tap on it, and currently it is not configured. You have to enable it like this. Then after tap on apply and tap on OK. Then after you can tap on File Explorer like this. Then after go to View tab, go to Options, go to View tab again and tap on Reset Folders. This will reset File Explorer setting, and you can try to run as administrator if it will bypass some permission and restrictions, like right click on that application, tap on run as administrator and check for file corruption or compatibility. If your file is not completely downloaded or if there is issue with your file, you can re-download it and reinstall it. So finally you can go to start menu, go to setting, go to accounts option in the left side menu. Make sure you are in the administrative account, because other accounts will not be sufficient permission for run the application. So make sure you are in the administrative account. So these are the methods you can try to fix Windows cannot access a specified device path or file. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.